Hey everyone, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. I know what you're thinking. It's been around for a while. We've all seen the videos of it writing Python scripts and JavaScript functions. But if you're like me, you probably haven't thought much about how it fits into your daily life as a DevOps engineer. The thing is, Copilot has been evolving. It's smarter, faster, and better than ever, and its real power isn't in writing simple app code. It's in streamlining the most repetitive parts of our job. The YAML, the bash scripts, the documentation, all the stuff that takes up way too much of our time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to get through my workday and why. If you're in ops, you should be paying attention to it right now. All right, enough talk. Okay, let's jump right in. The first thing I want to show you is how Copilot can generate a complete YAML file from scratch, which is perfect for infrastructure as code. I'm going to create a Kubernetes deployment to set up a web tier and a Spring Boot application. Watch this. As I enter this simple comment, Copilot starts to think, and now you see that it's generating the entire YAML manifest for me. All I have to do is press Tab or Enter to accept the suggestions, and it just writes the whole thing, saving me from having to remember every little detail. Now here's a cool real-world moment. As you can see, Copilot can sometimes make a mistake. It's a tool, not a perfect oracle. It started to repeat some lines here at the bottom of the file. But that's okay. We don't have to worry about manually fixing it. I can simply right-click, select Copilot, and choose Fix. And boom. Just like that, it starts reviewing its own work. It found the issue and is suggesting a fix to clean up the file for me. Pretty amazing, right? Now if I click View in Chat, it shows me the corrected file right in the chat window. I can then click this little icon here to apply the changes to my file. You can see all the changes in this view. Once I've reviewed them and I'm happy, I just click Keep, and the file is updated. It's a fantastic way to handle code review without leaving your editor. Now, let me show you another super useful feature. What if you just stumbled upon a massive YAML file in a repo and you have no idea what it does? You can ask Copilot to explain it. I just right-click, select Copilot, and click Explain. And there it is, a detailed explanation of what this file is doing, all in the chat window. This is a huge time saver for anyone dealing with legacy codebases or unfamiliar projects. Okay, let's move on to our next use case. I'm going to create a new Python script from scratch. Watch as I enter a simple comment to describe what I want to build. And just like that, boom, it created a Python script to do exactly that. But here's where it gets even cooler. What if we want to optimize this code? I can ask Copilot to review its own file and suggest changes. As you can see, it's critiquing its own work and providing suggestions to optimize the script. It's an incredible learning tool. And finally, let's add some documentation to this file. I can just type # docstrings. Here you go. It automatically adds the comments for this Python script. This makes my code readable and my teammates happy. Now for a feature that's fantastic for team collaboration. Copilot's code review capabilities. If you have changes in your local repository, you can select Copilot Code Review right here. It will review your entire repo and provide suggestions. As you can see, it gives me a clear summary and a list of changes. I can review the suggestions and then choose to either apply them directly or discard them. It's like having an extra set of expert eyes on your code before you even create a pull request. This feature alone is a huge time saver for both me and my team. So there you have it. You saw firsthand how GitHub Copilot isn't some futuristic magic that's going to take your job. It's a tool that helps you do your job better, faster, and with a lot less frustration. It lets you focus on the more complex, strategic parts of DevOps instead of the tedious, repetitive stuff. For a while, it felt like a tool just for developers, but if you're in ops, it's truly a game changer. Now I'm curious, what's the most tedious DevOps task you'd love for an AI to take over? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're interested in a more in-depth video where we use Copilot to build a real-world CI/CD pipeline, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.